All right, good morning. So I want to show us how you can achieve the design. Now, this is a personal creation. You can actually do otherwise or do as you might wish. So now, this is a yellow center material, the regular cutting, right? We do cuts, and then let me remove them to show us the measurements. So this is just a material I have cut out. I first cut it at this shape or with this shape. Now, the measurements can vary depending on how big you want it to be, right? But the one I have here, the measure I have here is width of 10 inches width, right? By length of 18 inches. You can make yours to be bigger or smaller depending on your customer chest measurement. The chest I have here is just of 47, 48, right? So that's the reason it's this big. So now, the regular square is the regular measurements, is the regular style in Vogue. So I decided to make mine to come a bit different. So that was why I slanted the edges, right? I slashed the edges just to give it another concept. You can make yours to be square, circle, triangle, star, whatever design or shape you can cut, right? So I just slanted these edges. Now the slanting nature, at this other edge, I have it to be 10.5 left, right? 10.5 left as against the original length I have here, the length of 18, 19, right? So now the width remains the same. So I now cut up a strand, a black material. Now this black material measurement is 2.5 width, but the length across the chest area, 2.5 width, the black strand, 2.5 width this way, then the length across this way. So this is the first one. You also measure accordingly the whole dimensions you are going to cover. Now this band will cover the edges of this material placed at the chest region. So this material will cover this way. So you are going to measure across the chest to know the total length you are going to have, but the width will be 2.5 in cutting. I will show you how to fold them as we progress. Now this one as well will be underneath.
Excuse me, boss. Right? You have a text message.
You have to take your time to measure out all these.
Excuse me, boss. You have a text message.
For you to know how to go about it. But the width of cutting should be 2.5, right? Then after you must have gotten to this stage, the next thing you will do now is to start
Excuse me, boss. You have a text message.
I will show you as well how the folding is achieved. So this is how it will look like. By the time you have folded, this black will become smaller and become nice actually. So this is for the preparatory stage. I will show you as well the gumming, of course the coupling stage. Thank you.